Bonjour! If, like me, you always need a notepad nearby and, like me, you love making things yourself, then this DIY notepad tutorial is just for you. We'll go through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along and create beautiful notepads like these ones. For this project, you will need paper, a paper trimmer or scissors or a ruler, white glue, a printer, and a press. If you don't have a press, that's no problem. You can use paper clamps or make your own by following the tutorial I will upload soon on my channel. And this is optional, but you might want to use cardboard and a rounded corner punch. First, you will need a design for your notepad. You can create your own design or buy printable ones. I have created multiple printable designs available for purchase from my shop for the occasion. I use my M1 iPad Pro and Apple Pen with Procreate to make these designs. And these are the tools I use to create all my designs, including my book covers. If you create your own design, you will need to create a printable file with your illustration, then export it as a PDF. To do that on an A4 size Canva, arrange your design to fit as many as you can on the page. Pro tip: if you want 2 rows, always place the top of your design on the border of the page to keep the top edge uniform. Once your design is ready, it's time to print it. If you want to foil some parts like I did on this one, I invite you to watch this video that shows you how to foil prints. Now that you have printed as many pages as you'd like, it is time to cut them. You can use scissors or a paper trimmer like I do to help me cut straight lines. For this notepad, I also added rounded corner on the bottom with a corner punch. You can also choose to create deckled or rough edges. To do that, tear the paper using a ruler as a guide instead of cutting. If you do that, do not tear the top edge, as we need it to be as straight and as flat as possible to glue the notepad together. And if you want to add cardboard backing, cut a piece of cardboard the same size as your notepad and place it on the bottom of the stack. All that is left to do is to glue all the pages together. So stack them all on top of each other and tap them on a flat surface to flatten the top edge. Keeping the top edge as flat as possible, place clamps on both sides of your future notepad or place it onto the press, leaving just a few millimeters from the top sticking out. Now apply the glue to the top edge of your notepad. Do not fear of putting too much. In this case, too much is better than too little. If you decide now that you rather have the cardboard backing, or if you simply forgot the previous step, not like me, do not worry, there is still time. Once the glue is dry, place the cardboard at the bottom of your stack and, following the same process as we just did, apply glue on the edge, focusing on the cardboard. Let it dry and voila! You now have a super cute handmade notepad. If you notice that your notepad falls apart when you manipulate it, it might be because you put too little glue. If that's the case, just apply more glue and wait for it to dry. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching this DIY notepad tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you decide to create your own notepad using this tutorial, I'd love to see it. I love when you send me pictures of your creations. If you want to see other designs for notepads in my shop, tell me your ideas in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, blah blah blah, for more DIY project and tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.